Hi guys, on the 21st of February, a military jet crashed in Iran. Okay, the plane has two pilots on board. One was a pilot and the second one was a trainee pilot. And they crashed against a wall in Iran, and a civilian also was killed during that accident. It's an F-5 airplane. As you can see, the plane crashed against a wall. One civilian and two pilots were killed. As I said, it's an F-5 jet. It was built by the US. Okay, you guys must have read it by now. The point here is a military fighter jet crash in Iran. Now, I would like you to see what I dreamed a few months ago, like on the 15th of August 2021. Okay, the title is Plane Crash in Iran, and I want you guys to read the rest. I knew it. God tell me already that a plane is going to crash in Iran. Okay, and it has happened. I knew it somewhere somehow that something like this will happen, and it has happened the same way, guys. This is just a simple example to let you know what's going on. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Please share it, subscribe to my channel. It's very important. There are more important news to come. I will wait for it to happen and then I will do video. Okay, thank you. Bye.